guys, how you doing? It is your girl Abijah. Welcome back to my channel Satisfaction by Abijah. I hope everybody is doing well. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I put together my vendor banner using Canva, as well using a transparent background and Vistaprint to basically formulate my banner and get it printed out. So I hope that you guys find this information to be useful. Just go ahead and sit back and enjoy. Majority of this video is not going to be me talking. It's pretty much going to be, visual type of video. So I hope that you guys do enjoy.